Yeah, it's my first time, and I came from Australia to see the birds, and absolutely mesmerised by the massive birds, just hundreds of thousands. Never seen anything like it in my whole life.
At maz ese amni lach bad janwar yiwan. Yim subah sham asan kreknad kara amish awaz kusa meet asan, mother kusa asan. Wo yuthi ba do kodo badan gos. Yins abadi hetsan kam gasin. Ti janwar chun wunges yiwan yor kiya.
Still, there is not a significant decrease in the migratory birds as of today. But if the trend continues, I think we are going to see drastic decrease in the number of migratory birds that visit Kashmir Valley.